How to change dark skin color to white. Duplicate the background photo to add a backup of your photo. Drag it and drop it on the new layer icon. Reset the colors to black and white. From the bottom corner, use quick mask mode or just press Q to go to this mode. When you press Q, your layer color will change. Take the brush tool, change the hardness to about 90%. Start painting on just the skin part, but try not to paint on the ears or eyebrows. Go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Play with the radius to add a smoother mask. 9 will work best for me. I will press OK. Double click on the quick mask and choose selected area, then just press OK. Choose the up layer and press Ctrl and J to duplicate from the selection. Now the main step is changing the blending mode to screen. If you want to make it more brighter or just bright in some areas, add a curve layer. Drag the middle of the line a little bit up. If you want this curve to just effect on a specific area, select the mask, invert it by Ctrl and I. Choose a brush and decrease the opacity. Now paint with a white color on an area you want to brighten that. Here's the before, here's the after. Clip the mask just to the under layer. Hold Alt and click between the layers. Select the top layer, double click on it and it will open blending option. Drag the slider to the left side. Hold Alt and spread it. It will make the blending softer. Hold Alt and spread it. Now if you drag the white slider to the right, it will remove some parts which are bright in the underlayer. Position them far from each other, it will make the blending softer. It was our new tutorial. Hope it helped you to edit your photos better. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. When I uploaded a new video, you will get notified.